We're gonna have to get all the blocks up underneath here. We'll wait till we're done moving it.
Yes, sir. As you can see, the truck is lined up with the camper, and we are engaged in preparation to get it into the truck. Right now we're just gonna jack up the jacks as high as they'll go, because we have a sneaking suspicion that it could be that the jacks are gonna be a little bit short to get it into the truck, which is gonna involve a little bit more finagling on our part to make it work. But we're just we're gonna give it an eyeball here. Last time we checked, we had the original tires, well, not original, but the ones that were on it when we bought it, and they were bigger tires, so we probably did lose a couple of inches maybe in height on the truck since then. We've got like regular, more stock size tires on there now. It's getting up there. Kind of makes me nervous a little. Just gets a little wiggly and stuff. It's kind of scary seeing all your work teetering up there. Okay, it's really wiggling whenever Dave's turning on the handles.
You want to quit or what?
No, I'm not going to quit. I'm just documenting this. What am I supposed to say? Whatever happens, happens.
We're almost there.
Almost. Oh, it's so close. It's going to be so close. Yeah. We have the jacks about at the absolute maximum extension, which is about 24 inches.
Yep, 24.
And I don't know, it's so close, but I don't think it's high enough.
It says it'll go.
It says it will.
I think it'll go. We're gonna move these blocks.
Yep.
And we gotta pull that rubber mat out of there.
Okay. Okay, stop. It's touching.
Let's see how much the truck goes down now. We're at the bumper. We're at 32 inches about, huh?
A little more.
32. Yeah, 32 inches to the top of the bumper.
Okay.
Number 32.
So exciting! So exciting! Yeah, la 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 la, yeah. I can't tell y'all how totally thrilled I am just to see it in there. Looks pretty cool. I think, anyway. Which is the only thing that really matters. It's so super close. Yeah, I think so. Ooh, it's so close to the top of the cab.
It's alright, aerodynamics.
I think it might actually be touching up there in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, we just determined our first issue, which isn't a big deal, but it's something we're gonna have to take care of, is that it's actually touching the cab. Right up here. Which I've heard other people talk about having that problem and they put boards underneath the thing, but it's kind of a bummer. Well.
All the way down.
The front up here where the bed goes over the cab, it's just barely touching right in the middle towards the front. But we are gonna have to do something, address that somehow. Not a big deal. What'd you say?
It went down
2 inches.
Isn't that bad?
Okay. It still looks like, I mean, it's totally squatted.
We're not even touching our overload yet. It's just there.
So when Dave backed it in there, it's a little closer. Like, I mean, it's touching the wheel well over on this side. And on this side we have, oh gosh, like good, probably 2 inches. Anyway, he thinks that he can use our big pipe and just sort of scooch it over a little bit. Tailgate still shuts. Okay, so now we're gonna take it for a little test drive. Granted, we don't have it strapped or anything, but we're just gonna go like real slow down the road here in front of our house. And gonna have to spot Dave getting out of the driveway because of our trees. So cool. First time camper in the truck. Well, our truck anyway. So I guess this is sort of our maiden voyage, even though it's going to be a short one.